Okay, this is a 300C that I'm working on. It is a 5.7 V8. Anyway, I just wanted to show you the valve cover gaskets and the hard part, because the driver's side is a joke. It's cake. You can actually see all the nuts and everything like that. There's nothing, there's not a wall up against it like this. I have all the space, so that's going to be easy to do. The hardest nut is that one on the back. It's actually a stud. And then what you do is, what I've been doing is, this is the angle that I'm using it at, and just make sure the thing is not spinning. See, like right now it's going back and forth, the socket. So now I'm going to put my hand back there and just twist it off by hand. And I also took the socket, let me show you. I just pick out this socket, and I cut all the way down until it was a 1/4 inch up. Well, actually, make it about a 1/4 inch down. You could just cut it at increments, but I would start off with maybe a 1/4 inch. But make sure you look inside to make sure that it, like this one, goes down pretty deep. That one doesn't. You see how that one doesn't at all? That one's not a good one to cut. The other one's good to cut, just as long as it's the right size. And also some American sizes work too. So if you have an old deep socket, sacrifice it. And also, I was having a little bit of problem while I was spinning it, because it's slick, the chrome on this socket. So you could actually add electrical tape or something like that, so you can actually twist it off a lot easier. I might have to do that with the one on the back here, but I just wanted to show you the hardest one. And then what I did too was I disconnected this piece right here, these two brake lines, and I brought it up and I strapped it over here just to keep it away, because when they hang down, it gets in the way of the nuts. So by doing that, and also make sure that you remove, there's a connector here, there's something over here that's holding this harness, over here in the middle and in the front. Disconnect those three, and then wrap the wire the way you see the way that you see it here. And I'm just trying to think if there's anything else you got to do just to make this job a little bit easier. No, that's about it. So let me get back to work. Let me do that one on the back, and this valve cover is ready to come out. Anyway, I hope this helps somebody and made my job a lot easier. Take care and have a great day. Bye.